Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right recorder and getting it ready. Soprano is standard, alto if you want a lower range. Once you have it, inspect the windway and joints because leaks or debris change tone and response. Make sure the body fits snugly. Align the thumb hole with the back and finger holes with the front so your fingers land naturally. Then blow gently to confirm a clear, steady sound. This quick check saves time when you add fingering and breath control next. You now pair fingerings with controlled breath to produce clear notes. First, memorize the 5 starting notes and place fingers lightly. Relaxed hands prevent tension and improve accuracy. Once done, focus on breath. Use steady, low-pressure air from your diaphragm, not harsh blasts, because the recorder responds to subtle pressure changes. Practice short, even notes, then 2-note slurs to connect sounds. Make sure to alternate slow drills and musical phrases, so your fingers and breath learn coordination together. You finish by applying skills to real songs and solving common problems. Begin with short, familiar melodies and loop small sections until you can play them cleanly. Repetition builds muscle memory. If you hear squeaks, first reduce air pressure, then rotate the recorder a few degrees. Small angle changes fix most leaks. Once resolved, maintain your instrument, wipe moisture, oil wooden surfaces occasionally, and keep it in a case. If tone remains unstable, check joints for grime or cracks and address those before further practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.